Hello, 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 everyone. Box came. I'm excited about this one. This was a pre-order that I placed with RosGirls. And there's just a thank you card. It just says Jenny, or Jenny. Free sample on top, key lime coconut birthday cake. Oh, that smells really good. With the key lime in there, I didn't expect to like that at all. Okay. So I think I said before, this is RosGirls. This was a pre-order. And at first I was like, I'm not going to order, not going to do it, not going to order. Don't need no more wax, not going to order. But ironically, this is the second opening they've had on a day where I had surgery. So the last chunk pre-order too, I had to have surgery. So I ordered then also. And then I had surgery, and I'm now flipping you off, on my finger the same day they had this one. So, yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I only ordered a few things. And again, because of my state of mind when I ordered, I, for some reason, thought there would be 2 muffins to a bag, and there is only 1, so I know I'm going to kick myself for that later. This one is Queen of Clean. And they don't have any scent descriptions. Usually they're on the package, but that is okay. That's really good. That's, very laundry. My husband will like that. I always try to order stuff that he'll like too, so that I don't get yelled at. Not that he would, but you know what I mean. All right, next up we have Double Woman. Oh, yummy. Oh, I wish I had the scent descriptions, because that's almost like suntan lotion, lavender. I don't know. I cannot place it. And last cupcake we have is Love Yourself Fluff Puffs. I'm all about Fluff Puffs, Peeps Cake. That one's almost fruity. I wish I remembered. So those are the muffins. And then chunk bags, we have a Party in My Cotton Candy Bungalow. And that is amazing. Whatever it is. You want to smell it? It's Toby approved. He liked it. Something is going on across the street. My dogs are going crazy, which is partly why my door's closed all the way. Next chunk bag is Sunshine, Rainbows, and Lollipops. Can you not? That smells super good too. That almost smells like it's got a pineapple in it. And then she doesn't just offer like the pie slices. She offers like a half a pie, which is kind of cool. And this is 20 bucks or so for this. But this is Americana Peeps Cake. I like Americana and I like Peeps Cake, and I'm assuming they're the two together, so it should be perfect. Oh, yep. Yes, yes, yes. So in this instance, and actually in every instance that I've ordered a half a pie, like I wish maybe you could just buy 2 pieces, like a quarter of a pie, but this is just fine. So that is my RosGirls order from the previous pre-order, and I know she is starting to get everything shipped out, and then generally after that she announces the next pre-order. Hopefully I can be a good girl and just ignore it. If not, I'll be back with another video. But that's it. Thanks everybody for watching me and putting up with my animals all the time. And I hope you have a great day.